Now it's coming. Because I hear the rails making metal sounds. Good afternoon or evening, guys. What's going on? I can hear the rails. It means the train is coming. And here comes a train now. That has to be California Zephyr train 5. Yeah, it is. And P42DC is leading this one off. It's 1:37. Sorry, I couldn't read the other P42DC engine number because it was too high to read it. I was too above the bridge to read it. Alright, this is your Amtrak California Zephyr train 5. This train is heading off to Emeryville. Thank you everybody for watching, and happy Wednesday.